So, laro tayo ngayon ng Dead Trigger, mga guys. Find the chemicals. Sige ba, ito ang gagamitin natin, boy. Ito, yan, yan. Para marami tayo. Basta the hospital. As hellish as before. I'm dead patient scary about files of locked in the cafeteria, the remains of whatever resistance humans attempted are scattered in ruin. The tracking device beeps insistently. You're getting close. Let's go. Find the chemicals for Grace. Let's go! Ito ba wala tayo dito? Ito lang mga wow! Ito lang mga meron. Yan, unlock natin. Tanggal. Sunmig lang. Oo. Yan guys. Yan. So, let's fly. Ayun o, Dead Trigger. Yan, Dead Trigger. Yung ano.
Si Kuya Raymond mo?
Ayan guys. Ayan. Ito yung laro Dead Trigger. So, ito yung ano guys. Yan. Wait lang guys. Wait lang guys. Wait lang guys. So, may kinuha lang mo guys. Itong thermometer guys. Here you go. Ito na guys. So, tara. Ito, AK-47 ang ating gagamitin. So, ito yung guys. So, yun. Ito yung gamit. Kaya natin ito. Find a way to bypass the doors. Ito na shotgun. So, download nito guys. Wait, bro. What is that? Find the chemical sources. You open the gate. Hey! What's wrong with you? Hello. Hi. Oh my god, I will gonna find. Oh, one more. Papakitaan ko kayo ng ano, one shot, one kill. So ganito ang ano ko. And this is this. Take the package back. One shot, one kill. Ito yung chase naman guys para uy, sakto. Wait lang guys.
Sa lista ba?
Sorry guys. Lista. Aray. Sakit guys. Makulit kayo. Babalik ako. Ayun ako. Kasi. Ay, aray. Let's go. Let's get real quick. Ito yung ano niya guys. Ayun guys. So let's get Mission success. Naririnig niyo yun guys. Yan guys. So, hinaan lang natin volume guys. Para marinig nyo ako. Reward. New goods in shop available. So, main quest ulit. Nakamin na natin. Iba dito guys. Uy, wala pa rin ng ito. Nandito pa rin. Items. Wow, blade cutter. Maganda to. Laser cutter. Grabe ba? Let's go. This is normal bro. Tapos ito yung mga gamit natin guys. Yan. Let's go. Mag-enjoy mga kaboy-boy. Mga kaboy-boy. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh my god, mali. There guys. Ay. Aray. Aray. Nampak. Ganito. At shot wonky. Oh, for you. Ay. Tayo. Bagay. Mga boy. Yan guys. Ayun. Tara guys, kunin natin yung mga oras na ba yan? Oras yan. Ayun yung nirat-rat pak. Tara ba ito? Enjoy yung tayo natin. Mission success.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Ito yung game niya kung gusto niya download ko. Yan.
7.9.
So, dito naman tatapos ang aking video. You gave Grace the package, but she won't talk to you until after you shower. After a quick rinse, you take a much dessert nap. It's morning. Julian stood by your bed, a cup of coffee in hand. A kind of, Julian, remember that team? Julian, remember that team? Set to show up sub level 1. They didn't make it. I want you to spare the instruction. So yan guys. Yan, sa susunod na video natin to guys. Bye.